Now we'll tell you another story following the Minister of Health's acknowledgement that it has received the JFF's proposal for the restart of football on the island. One sports medicine specialist has cautioned the key stakeholders, and Jerome Foster has that story.
The air of optimism continues to linger for a possible restart to football, and there are only 37 days before the proposed start to the nation's premiership. However, sports medicine specialist Dr. Paul Wright is advising against sports returning this year.
I just think that until we are testing asymptomatic people on a regular basis, sports should not go on, competitive sports should not take place until 2021, until we have more knowledge about how this is spread. We now know that the spread is now aerated, that you can have this virus hanging on in the atmosphere for longer than we thought, and that it is spread just by talking.
Dr. Wright added that even with a heavy craving for sports, too much is at stake to sacrifice.
We're going to be happy for a couple of weeks, and then we're going to see the incidents and the positives go up, the deaths go up, as they are doing now, and we don't know the long-term effect of the virus on the people who have tested positive. And we now know that over 5,000 Jamaicans have tested positive, and we're going to find out what happened to them next year as we look at their lung function and their nervous function, their neurovascular function, their neuromuscular function. I just think it's just a bad idea.
Despite stifling economic constraints currently, balancing lives with livelihood has a greater meaning for the veteran sports medicine specialist.
There's life over livelihood and livelihood over life. I am one of those who believe life more important than livelihood. Everybody is now saying that there must be what we can have: sports, life, and living with this virus. I believe in life. And that is why I believe that we should stay away from competitive sports until 2021.
Jamaica has over 4,000 active COVID-19 cases and 128 deaths. Jerome Foster for TVJ Sports.